Stock number 2181, a 2016 Audi A7 Prestige package front end assembly. This was a nice and clean front clip. Our typical cowl cut through the windshield post through the floor. One small ding or like scratches there in the hood. Otherwise, the hood is in great shape. Passenger side fender, nice and clean. Had the triple or the quadruple beam LEDs. Headlight tabs are good. Nice right there. That's your cooling. Got your condenser, fan assembly, radiator. That's good. Got your coolant bottle, your washer bottle, your under the hood plastics, metal brace. There's your headlight washers, park assist, small gouge from the loaders there in the bottom of the bumper cover. Otherwise, really not noticeable. Got your grill's nice and complete. 4 rings. Driver's side. Again, good to go. Your driver's side headlight. Nice and complete there. No issues with that. Get your driver's side fender. Everything is good there. Take a look here underneath so you can see the headlights. No damage to the housing. Passenger side. No damage to the housing there. Alright, stock number. All your fender liners. Fender liners are included. Alright, stock number 2181, 2016 Audi A7 Prestige package. In stock now.